Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change these swipe actions on the Gmail mobile app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the hamburger icon up at the top left, and you want to go down and select the settings button. Select general settings. And now you want to go down where it says swipe actions, configure swipe actions to quickly act on emails in the conversation list. At this point, you can select either right swipe or left swipe if you want to swap them. So you can select change, and where it says use right swipe for, you can select what action you'd rather perform that action for. And the same thing for left swiping. So basically it gives you like a shortcut change option here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.